up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel for today's video. Today is Monday. Today I go to the Zosh shop and it's been brought to my attention. See, let me fill y'all in on something. I may not read my comments anymore based on the fact that like I'm trying to take my mental health more serious. Like, it's not that it's negative comments, it's comments that are like, bro, why? It's like I don't, why? But luckily for me, I have people that reached in my DM and was like, Zosh, I think your mid pipe is upside down. That's why your shit ain't working. And I'm like, what do you mean? And then he sent me examples and I was like, oh, yeah, I'm not the smartest bunch in the Brady's, but hey, I'm here. So I'm gonna go in the garage, fix that before we go to the Mario, which is a muffler shop. Hopefully he's open today. He should be. I should call, or I should just show up, see if he'll do it. He does have a Honda now. Honda treat Honda like Honda. So let's go in the garage, get that situated, then we should take our first voyage. About 15 minutes away. Damn, I'm kind of scared to be honest. Beautiful day today. Y'all know, bro, I gotta give y'all the headlight check. They still icy. So we got Christina in the air. I gotta get my creeper, cause y'all, bro, I'm telling you, man, that creeper's the best thing money can buy, player. I ain't gotta get dirty. My hair don't gotta get dirty. None of that, playboy. Look at that, no leaks, no leaks. I think we need a 14, my little mystery bag. It's going crazy, bro. It's going, I actually gotta put that over there. I don't know where my 14 at, brother. Oh no, I hope I don't fall. All right, so I gotta basically rotate. I gotta remove it from here and turn it upside down, and then it's gonna tuck more up. And then we'll get it close to this right here. So that's what I did wrong. So the hanger's gotta hang upside down. Oh, this is much better. I mean, obviously I need a different hanger so I can bring this more that way, but all in all, when I go to the exhaust shop, they can cut this off and do what they get. I mean, honestly, this just has to like rotate over, but this is good. This, I'm happy with this. They can easily just cut that off, bend it, straighten that shit that way, reband it, boom, put this on a different hanger, because obviously this hanger is ass. This hanger is about to explode, so hopefully Mario can do all this, and he charged me a reasonable price. I hope, bro, but with materials going up in price, it doesn't matter. I just want this, I just want an exhaust on the car. Roll through the gears just to get it to like do what I want it to do. RX-7, you guys can't see it. But we're driving. I got everything I need to go to the exhaust shop. I hit up Tuck. Tuck said that they're chilling, which means they waiting on your boy. Oh fuck, I gotta go over a hill. This is not good. Luckily I have no cars behind me, so I've been chilling. And this is the way that I live. This is so ghetto. I hate this shit. Well, this isn't cool. My car just died on the bridge. Literally like 2 minutes away from Mario's. Oh, a minute away from Mario's. Oh God. Oh shit. By the grace of God, we made it. By the grace of God, we made it. So, I can take off the bumper if you want me to. Oh, okay. So it's quick release. God, that muffler has to go. That shit has to go, bro. Tuck, tuck. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect.
So I just cut the line and ran my own line.
Cut the hanger off. And that's Let's hear how it sounds. Oh, much better. Oh. It's probably reading hella lean too. Now that I got no more pressure, I'm gonna have to adjust it. Sounds so good. Oh, she's back. Christina's back. Oh, that sounds so good. Oh, that sounds so magnificent. Well, it's not even that bad. I just gotta adjust my tune a little bit. It's not that bad. That sounds perfect. Oh, that sounds perfect. Alright, now that we got our car done, we're now heading home, and I loaded my old map, like with no modifications, to see if we were able to get home. So hopefully we're able to get home. I hope, I pray. I'm so scared. I got a long ass way to get home, dude. And I got 35% left of fuel, which means I ain't got no damn fuel. Fixed. I had to recalibrate the TPS. I looked down, I'm like, why is my TPS isn't moving? And I figured like, oh shit, this happened before where I load up a map, but I never recalibrate the TPS. So now that the TPS recalibrated, we're good, bro. We're good. It's reading a little rich though, I gotta lean that out. But all in all, bro, we're good. She's driving. I'm gonna try to do a pool for you guys here in a sec. But yeah, she's good. What up, kin folk? Probably with the same or different skin folk. This is my website, everybody. Welcome to ZoshMFG.com, alright? Now, you hear me talk about it every time. Well, that's cap. Sometimes I talk about my website. I don't promote myself enough. But hey, if you want to support the channel and all my endeavors so I can be like the other YouTubers you watch who buy GTRs and all types of cool shit, then please show some love and support to a black-owned business. That's just to make people feel guilty. You see my support black creators collection? That's just to make white people feel guilty. I'm just playing. I love every single one of y'all, man. But if you want to show love and support to the brand, then you're more than welcome to check out ZoshMFG.com. But if you can't monetarily show support, then please just leave a like on the video, subscribe, follow your boy on all his socials. That helps greatly too. Alright, now back to the video. I gotta hit the little promo. Yeah. Made it back home in one piece. I can't believe the whole time it was my TPS. My map sensor works fine, so if you guys ever wanted to know if you can use like a J series or whatever map sensor for your car, it works. And I think that's pee. I think one of the cats peed on my fucking car. Great. Change of plans. We are now in the Fit. We are going to Acura to pick up some oil filters. But to recap, I can't believe the reason why the car was driving like ass, because I loaded the tune and I didn't recalibrate the TPS, and that's what you have to do. Like if you're gonna load up an old tune on your car and your car is different from when you obviously tune, then you might want to check the TPS if the car's driving weird. I thought it was the map sensor, and I was like, hold on, let me look at the TPS, see if it's moving. And lo and behold, the damn TPS didn't move because it wasn't calibrated properly to my car. I'm gonna have to go visit Hobby. I think I'm gonna take both cars down to Hobby. I'm gonna see if one of the homies, or maybe Mario can trailer, pay Mario, load up both cars on the trailer, and then trailer my cars down to Hobby. They get the 8th gen tune and then get the Civic retuned again on flex fuel. So That's gonna be a long ass day of tuning. Well, not really.
Nothing out of something, you handling your biz. And don't be crying in the stuffing, use a paper chasing. You got your block on fire, you handling G's. Until the moment you aspire, you know what it is. You make nothing out of something, you handling your biz. And don't be crying in the suffering.
Fire. Bars.
Let's go ahead and pick up the goddamn little old filter, you feel me? Little old. It's a little old filter, playboy. Little old. Say it with me, y'all. Little old filter. Man, look at them old filter, man. Look at them old filter, man. I got 30 of them bad boys, man. I done dropped the whole YouTube check on some oil filters because I don't get paid no more. I used to get paid, but that ain't happening no more, baby. What? Now that we got our oil filters, we got them oil filters. Damn, I just blacked out. That's crazy, huh? I wonder what I can do now while I'm in Fort Pierce. Where can I go? Who can I see? Where can I go? What do you guys think about the new Integra Type S, bro? Like, how y'all feeling about that? Y'all liking it? I like it. But honestly, I would still get a TLX Type S over the Integra Type S. Dude, the TLX Type S just looks so goddamn good, bruh. I'm finna crash this, man. Get out of the way. Lunch break. All right, so we're back home with the Integra. Now I'm finna put the diffuser back on. So we're gonna go ahead, raise up. Look how good it came out. It came out literally perfect, bro. Let's go ahead and jack this up. Pause. We don't jack up the car. Real bad man lift car. Batty boy jack car, but bad man lift the car. Yeah, man. I'm a bad man. I'm Babaloo. Bad man. Babaloo. Alright, she's all done. Top one rear motors diffuser is back on the car. I got my J style diffuser. I have a question for y'all. Which one are you choosing? The DC2 or the FD2? This is actually a DC4 and this is actually a FA5, but you know, here on YouTube we gotta, you know, obviously, you know. So FD2 or DC2? Which one are you guys choosing? And why? Man, I'm so proud of myself, bro. Like, I managed to do this. This is one of those moments, man. I gotta big up myself and stop feeling so damn pessimistic all the time. This is a blessing, man. This is beautiful, bro. This is crazy. Look at this. Man.
I cannot end the video without giving you guys a cold start. It's the next day. Haven't started the car yet, hence the cold start. So I'm going to give you guys a nice cold start of the exhaust, warm up, a couple revs, and you can make your decision to see if you want to go the route I did with my custom 3-inch exhaust setup. All right, let's start it up. I think it's time for me to move. Our fan just, he drove by in his Slam TL. Cool, dude. He was like, Percy? Zosh? Fuck. But as you guys can see, the car sounds fantastic. It sounds great. All I gotta do now is just have Javi work his magic, get this thing retuned, see how much power it makes. Not that I really care about power, I just wanna rip this damn car again. Honestly, that's all I wanna do. But for now, it drives, it idles perfect. The demonic injection, bro, it's spot on to what my alpha injections were. Like, it's literally spot on, which is pretty awesome, man. Like, I'm just stoked to have the car back. Shout out to the homie driver for giving me a good deal on the blocks turned down. Appreciate you, homie. And shout out to eBay, because a lot of our builds wouldn't be possible without eBay, whether you buying authentic parts on eBay or you buying Chinese catbacks like me. No racial, I'm just saying that's where it came from. Like, if people in China bought American-made products, which does America even make products? Just kidding. But that is it for this video. We're gonna start kicking focus on the fits, okay? We need to get the fit content out, because I know I got people like, yo, Zosh, when you dropping the fit stuff, bro, when you dropping the fit stuff, it's coming, playboy, it's coming. Like, pause. But this is the last vlog on this camera. It is unfortunately sold. Well, fortunately for me, it's sold. I done picked up a new camera. I wanted to get the A7 IV, but I ended up getting the ZV-E10. It was in my price range, in my budget. I'm not gonna put myself in debt again over a camera that, nah, not happening. So I'm gonna rock out with the ZV-E10. That should be in the next video, filming on that setup. All in all, bro, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. I upload every single day, whether it's on YouTube or Instagram or the 1-800 hotline. So if you know, I'm outside, bro. I'm outside. But I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one, man. I'm gone. Peace.